Laide Bakare, a popular actress in Nollywood, is gearing up for her third marriage, set to take place on December 2nd, 2023 in Lekki. She shared the significant live event on her verified Instagram page, conveying an enthusiasm and joy. In her post, she invited followers to join her on the special day at Amore Garden in Lekki Phase 1 at 5 p.m, expressing her anticipation for a lively December celebration. This impending marriage comes after Laide's previous marital experiences. Her first marriage was with Mr. Olumide Kunfuli, a US-based individual, which resulted in the birth of her daughter, Simi, in September 2008. After her previous marriage, her second marriage was to Tunde Oriowo, a Lagos socialite, with whom she has 2 sons. The announcement of Laide's third marriage has triggered a range of reactions on social media. Some users are extending congratulations, while others are offering playful commentary on the number of marriages compared to those still seeking their first. The diverse responses reflect the varied perspectives people hold regarding relationships and the institution of marriage. As is common with news involving public figures, some media has become a platform for individuals to share their thoughts, opinions, and sometimes humorous takes on Laide Bakare's decision to enter into a third marriage. The online discourse surrounding her upcoming marriage underscores the multifaceted nature of public perception and discussion of personal events in the lives of celebrities. That's it. If you enjoyed the update, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section, and hit subscribe for more. Thanks for hanging out with us, and until next time, take care.